Yes.
I said before we got here that you're going to hear constantly how pretty the German Shepherd is. Keep it out there. This isn't an RC car. Keep it out there. Oh, man.
I tried to turn it, I couldn't.
That is RC boat. German Shepherd. All right. Oh, man. I said, keep it out there. It's a boat. Oh, clogging up the jets. All right, that is an Alpha Pro boat on 2S. Dual 390 brushed motors. We got the 6S Beast over here by Pro Boat, Sonic Wake. We're about to open up in a second. All right, just put that out there. Let it sit out there now. We'll park it in the middle of the parking lot. Yeah, go a little further, because they drift, no anchor. Right about there, perfect. All right, now we're about to put a test hit on the 6S.
They loving it. Oh shit. That was crazy. I haven't missed that.
Missed it?
Damn, that was so fast I couldn't get it. Oh my god. I'm not good at them.
Getting it?
Hold on. That was sick. That's hypey.